What's up guys? For today's video is part 4 sa atong latest series guys. So as you can see guys, nagbihis ko kay ang laag ni mulong na po may dagat, mga ligo daw may dagat guys. So guys, mga to see you. So tama inyong nadungog guys, mga ligo day mig dagat ron. Ang among pangaliguan nga dagat ron guys kay Sunset Bay. Ang first expression ko sa ilang beach guys is black ilahang sand. Sa aning nga part guys is nagluto ahong lolo sa among mga sudan. Sunny Bay. So guys, nanami diri sa Sunny Bay. So maligo nami guys. Let's go.
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive.
So guys, nakaabot ako diri sa bay, tas mga uni sa restaurant daw. So sige guys, see you on ya guys. Let's go. So karon guys, na padong na may nagsakay na may van Bilikaw. So padong na may sa among destination bawa sa amin. So guys, abot namin diri sa Sokhom Beach Festival. So mao ni Sokhom Beach guys. Nice din siya guys kay dako ag screen nila kung magkanta-kanta mo, mag-video okay. So second floor din ni siya guys. So mao ni view niya sa babaw. Top guys, napamidari still waiting ba nila. So picture ha dahil may ganiha. Tas mao ni picture. So mao to guys. kana magwat pa mi nila tas update na na if mga ano ni. So let's go guys, let's go. So guys, ga-plating na sila. So mautong sila guys, ga-plating na sila. So guys, mga on sa amin guys. Update naman ako. Kung tapos na akong kaon, let's go! So guys, tapos na kong kaon. So galing ko na ko direct, nakawat ko matapos sila, tas bao basig mag-inom sila or magkanta-kanta direct. So
Walking down the sandy shore.
So guys, manganta daw mi karon. Mo na ni dool mi sa video ke.
See the beauty evermore. Sunsets paint the sky aglow. In Rio where the breezes flow. Samba beats and laughter sound. Everywhere the joy is found. Coconut cocktails in their hands, dancing in the evening sands. Women of Rio, hearts so bright, shining like the stars at night. Elegance in their embrace, in Brazil what a stunning place. Women of Rio, hearts so bright, shining like the stars at night. Elegance in their embrace, in Brazil what a stunning place. Waves are whispering on the beach, their beauty never out of reach. Every smile a work of art, in Rio where the passions start. Carnival nights and streets.
So guys, manguli na guys. So maura dito guys. So mauni ang last part sa Leyte series na ho guys. So balik na punta o mag nature trip guys. Let's go!